Welcome back to Trustednose with the man that likes to smell good. I hope you're well, in good health, and of course, smelling great, smelling tanta noisy, just smelling. So, we got Matiere Premier's French flower, and this is some decent juice. So, quick review time. I'm ready, I hope you're ready, so let's go. French Flower came out in 2022, and the nose behind it is master perfumer Aurélien Gouchard. And instead of me reading out the notes, let me read you out the creative approach straight from Matiere Premier themselves. So, creative approach: create a bouquet of tuberose with absolute and florange of tuberose petals. Nigerian ginger amplifies the whiteness of the flower. Chinese tea leaf essence and a green pear coat underline the vegetal character of this stemmed flower. Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds good. Shout out to Matiere Premier for sending me this bottle for review. So onto the smell. So French flower is basically sweet pear in the opening. Then you get this heavy dose of tuberose, which has like a green nuance to it. And the tuberose here has like this slight powdery but sharpness to it. Maybe it's the combination between ambroxan, ginger, and tuberose, but there's like a slight powdery sharpness to it. But I wouldn't call it a powdery scent, and that's literally what you get with this fragrance. So going back to the tuberose now, I know tuberose is traditionally marketed towards like older women, but here it's quite unisex in smell, even more so to the point where, to me personally, I feel like it's quite masculine. So when I've been trying it out on site or testing it for the past like 3 weeks, people have come up to me and saying that, oh, like your fragrance, like I can smell it. It's very manly, isn't it? I was thinking, what, like the tuberose? They said, yeah. I was like, oh, and I was trying to like explain to them that, oh, like, it's been marketed towards like women and stuff like that. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is just that on my skin, it comes across quite masculine. But I know other reviewers, they found it quite feminine. So it literally just depends on your skin chemistries, but I'm fortunate enough for it to be masculine smelling. So this fragrance is quite, to me personally, it's quite bold, it's quite aggressive, and it's like room filling. So literally when I was just testing it out, I always sprayed. Yeah, you know me, I always do like a lot of sprays. Yeah, I remember one time in the office, this is the first time I was like properly trying it out. Filled up the whole room. I remember in the morning, she went to the office now. Everyone's saying, oh, yeah, I can smell your perfume. Oh, it's a lot, isn't it? It's a lot. I was just like, yeah, it's a lot. Yeah, it's a lot. But yeah, so be careful on the trigger. I will say that this is beast mode. And yeah, it's beast mode. And like let me bring it in like real terms now. So let's say someone's really tall. Let's say someone's like 6'5". Past like a certain height, you're just tall. Like you can be 5.5 or 6, I don't know, 6'7", yeah? You're just tall. So I'm relating that back to fragrances, yeah? So a fragrance to be classified as a beast mode, in my opinion, it doesn't need to be like a OG batch or Umbrella Mud. It just needs to reach or tick certain boxes. It needs to have like a really good performance and really good longevity for it to be beast mode. It doesn't need to be like insanely mad or anything like that. So I'll say it, this is a beast mode fragrance. Occasions on when to wear, whatever seasons, whatever. I feel like this is good for this time of the year, so spring. But this is so powerful that you can wear it in autumn or winter. I would say you can wear it in summer, but obviously be easy on the sprays because it's powerful in my opinion. But yeah, I'll say like it's all rounder when it comes to all seasons. Occasions now, so this can be a signature scent, but it depends on you if you want to smell like florals all the time, but it can be a signature scent. And let me talk about price point. So normal Matiere Premier's price point, I think it's like £190. So expensive juice, but they do smaller bottle sizes and everything. So you have that option too. But overall, I think this is really, really good juice. Even to the point where, remember I left it downstairs in the house now, and my sister, she's a hater. Yeah, she don't like nothing. She was gravitating towards this one. She was just like to me, she texted me. I can even put the text in the thing now, but obviously confidentiality. Yeah? So yeah, so she was just saying like, oh, like the fragrance she left on the table, like it's speaking to me. I like it. was thinking, bro, like, what, you like that? Because I've been trying to put her onto her bangers, yeah? She don't like it, yeah? But she likes this one, and that must mean something, yeah? So, decent juice. Aurelian did his job again. Matiere Premier did their job too. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It'll be much appreciated. Also, follow me on Instagram, Trustednose, and follow me on TikTok as well, Trustednose, where I'm just posting like my favorite clips from my videos, yeah? It's worth a watch. So, you know what I'm gonna say, more videos out soon, and of course, stay blessed, mate, yeah? Stay blessed. Stay blessed.